Welcome back to my channel, Gypsy Wife Life. In today's video, I'm going to be deep cleaning my home. We also got another cooling blanket in, and this one is for the living room. It's slightly different than the one we got for our bedroom. The one we got the other day is strictly for the bedroom. That's going to be our sleeping blanket, but this one we got for the living room. This one is a bit thinner than our other one, but still super cooling. Actually, this one feels a lot colder than the other one for some reason, which is going to be perfect for relaxing on the couch all summer. It's not even summertime here yet, but it is beyond hot where we live, so I definitely needed this extra one for the couch. This one is great also and has that gradient design. It's double-sided as well. It's lightweight, breathable, skin-friendly, anti-static, and it's made with a soft sateen weave. And again, it's designed for hot sleepers. This one is very cool to the touch, and it's supposed to be good for your skin and hair as well. And we got this one in the biggest twin size, which I love, and it's actually bigger than I thought. I can't wait to use this one and see how it feels. If you want to check out this cooling blanket, I'll have it linked in the description. So today I'm starting off in my bathroom. The first thing I did was pull these little caps off of the jets in the tub. You can see they are super funky. So I have the caps soaking in bleach, and I have the jets running so I can get all of the funk out of them. I honestly can't stand these things, and unless you constantly clean the caps and the jets, they're always dirty. I rarely use them because of this, but I mean, when they're all cleaned up and stuff, they're nice. It feels like you're in a hot tub and stuff, but having to constantly clean the jets and these pieces is not fun, and it's time consuming. I took everything out of my shower, and then I put it all in the tub and sprayed it all down with a multi-purpose cleaner, and now I'm gonna wipe everything down. I don't do this often, but sometimes it needs to be done, so every once in a while I do it. Now I'm spraying down the shower walls with some tub cleaner that I got from Walmart, and I'm going to wipe the shower walls down, and then I'm going to be giving the tub a good scrubbing. It's been a while since I cleaned the tub, so I'm glad I got this done and over with today. Everyday cleaning is just so much easier. A clean home is easier to maintain rather than doing a deep clean and scrubbing everything. But honestly, it's my own fault because I haven't been maintaining my home. I've been slacking in so many areas. I think it's just a little phase I'm going through. I'm just going through this little funk because I've been through it before, but I'll get myself back on track and keep up with it better eventually. I'm not going to beat myself up over it though, because it is what it is. I'm sure we all go through this.
All your stuff away and check out for the day. There's no time to waste.
So now I'm going to clean off my mirror and my countertop and my sink.
Won't you have a drink with me? We head into town, see what it's about. Barely need a shirt, though the sun has almost set. Make the most of it. I know we will dance and sing. And the city's on fire.
And then I'm wiping off this little vent up here because it had a lot of dust on it, and then I'm going to wipe off the cabinet above the toilet, and then I'm going to be cleaning the toilet, the entire toilet and all around the toilet, and then I'm going to be wiping off my little organizer that I keep beside the toilet. How many times can I say the word toilet? The little organizer holds my toilet paper and a few other things, and then after I'm done doing that, I'm going to be vacuuming the floor and mopping it, and then I'm going to be wiping off the cabinet doors as well.
Makes the city come alive. A breeze that makes you high. We'll be up till late tonight. Love gets another chance. Pretty people holding hands, uplifted by the night. The way that it should be, can let it slip away. 'Cause this might be our final summer day. There's a heat wave. There's a heat wave rolling in. There's a a party in the streets and the city's on fire. There's a party in the streets and the city's on fire.
So now I'm in the kitchen. I already unloaded the dishes off camera, and now I'm loading up the dirty dishes from the sink, and then I'll be starting the dishwasher. After that, I'm going to be wiping off the bottom cabinets in here. I'm not even going to bother with the top ones because I'm really not in the mood to be doing all of that. So I'm just going to be doing the bottom ones and getting that over with. I also vacuum and mop the kitchen floor off camera. My battery was running low and I was charging it in between times. So I'm just trying to do as much as I can, as quick as I can, so that my battery doesn't die completely.
I just lost my phone. And I don't know where to go. My friends are getting stoned. Somewhere on a boat. Though I feel alright, by a drifter's side. Strangers on the go. That's all I have to know.
So now moving on to the living room, I'm gonna lint roll the couch quick, and then I'm gonna go over that with the vacuum just to make sure that there isn't any of that cat hair left. And then I'm gonna be wiping the couch down. I'm using a bucket and a cleaning rag, and in the bucket is hot water and a little bit of laundry detergent. I'm gonna wipe down the entire couch and then wipe off the back of the couch pieces too, and then I'll be putting everything back in its place. After that, I'm gonna be vacuuming the rug in here, and also vacuuming and mopping behind the couch where the litter boxes are, and then on the other side of the couch where the entryway is too.
Dance through the night. Our favorite song is stereo. While the zombie slowly turns into stars. 3-4 hours of sleep, and my shades can't save me now. The sun is just a preheat for the night that's about to come. But I just lost my phone. And I don't know where to go. My friends are getting stoned. Somewhere on a boat. Though I feel alright, by a drifter's side. Strangers on the go. That's all I have to know.
So I'll be finishing up this cleaning by vacuuming the rug in the office area, and that's gonna be it for today. I didn't do my bedroom cleaning today because I did my bedroom cleaning in the last video, so I'll have that video linked in the description if you want to check that out. It's just a video of me cleaning my entire bedroom and nothing else. I also have playlists made of more cleaning motivation videos if you want to watch them too. I'll have them in the description. I also have a playlist for cooking and recipe videos and my day in the life videos, so check them out if you're interested. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. I hope it motivated you and inspired you to get up and get some cleaning done in your home. Like I said in my bedroom cleaning video, you might dread it, but you won't regret it. It feels so much better in here now, so fresh and so clean, and it smells nice and clean too. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see y'all next time. Bye!